So front of house, really nice entryway, all real stone, and nice wood door. You got the peaked entryway there, which I think is pretty attractive. Really nice upgraded garage doors that look like wood, but those are I believe it would be aluminum. And it does have the smart siding, so no maintenance there. And nice blacktop driveway. They got room, obviously, to park an RV. Camper. Pretty wooded. There's nobody across here. You can kind of see through there. It is clear lake on the other side. This is the backyard. It's really nice. We have the 3-car garage that has the pull through, and then really nice patio there. Blacktop driveway, extends along the side for extra parking. You've got a really nice, garden prep area there. And nice sunsetter awning over the nice deck overlooking this beautiful backyard. They do have a nice fire pit over there. It's nicely landscaped. They've got this granite path going to the golf course, which this is the 6th hole on the Inshalla golf course. So you're set back far enough. You don't feel like you are right in the mix of things, but you are very close. Obviously, just boom, right there. And you could get your golf membership. Oh, and the sun came out. So nice little area here. Little sitting area. It is on conventional septic, drilled well. You've got the nice landscaper path, coming down from the steps. So this is the golf course. So the tee off for men are back here. If you are where he is teeing off right now, that's the normal spot where most people would tee off there for the men's, or even up further. So most people aren't even coming back this far. And there's the sign. You can see the sign for the hole, and the lot line is right here. This is that nice gravel path that they have to run the golf cart back and forth. Your fire pit, so you are set back quite a ways here. So on this side of the house, this is the patio door that comes out the office area there. So you do have a nice little exit if you want to stop working and head out to the golf course. You could sneak out and do that. And this is that open side, really, really nice landscaped, where that egress windows are for the basement. Nice rocks. And there's a little storage shed in the front. And this is a vacant lot next door. So if you want to keep your privacy, that would be available for sale, possibly. They're not owned by the same person, so it'd be a different deal, but that is an option. So you come in the front door, there's that really nice wood door, and beautiful entryway. Dining has the nice beam ceilings. This is that pretty entryway with the wood door. There is a really nice entryway closet here. You go right into a full bath with a custom rock sink and granite countertops, which is nice, and cherry cabinets. And it is a full bath with a nice bathtub. And you got an ensuite bedroom. So nice bedroom. This makes a good layout. It does have a split layout. One side is the master. This side has 2 bedrooms. This is being used as an office, but it could be used as a bedroom. It does have the exterior exit, like going out to the patio. They have built-in cabinets here that could definitely be taken out, and you could just use that as a closet. But really nice office area. Beautiful, all hardwood floors in really good shape here. Nice, good-sized living room. All the really nice crown moldings. Got a really nice gas fireplace here that you can see from kitchen, living room, dining room area. Lots of nice windows. They have really nice blinds everywhere on the windows, even for these patio doors. They're just really nice, high quality blinds, and that can, close up. They've got that sunsetter awning, so keeping the sun out from heating things up in the summertime. Another little desk area here. You could, expand this into a larger dining room area. There's a formal dining room plus, dining area here. So you got the granite countertops, a little breakfast bar, all Jenn-Air appliances. So top quality Jenn-Air refrigerator. You've got oven, convection, microwave, and then you've got a warmer drawer and a nice Jenn-Air. It's the induction. So if you don't know about that, really great for cooking with induction cookware. And you've got the really nice Jenn-Air range, or the hood for venting. Jenn-Air dishwasher. Got the nice drop-in sink. These are those cherry cabinets. Really nice. They all have the soft close cabinetry. There's a look back. Nice undercount lighting, and they actually, you can see it on the floor. They have the night light on the along the floor too. And you've got this little pantry area here. This leads into the nice laundry room. Even has the granite and the cherry cabinets for your laundry room. Lots of storage. So it does lead into this really nice big 3-car garage. Lots of space here. Full size big truck fits in here. This is taller than I am. And this is that extra space here. Does have Modine heater, insulated, has that pull through, and then you can exit out the back there. Does have the slop sink, workbench, room for freezers, and then this. There are a couple, I call them puck skylights. So that is not a light, that's actually a skylight that goes all the way up. So you get that skylight even at night. And there's also one in the bathroom here. So master bath, nice patio door that leads out to the entertainment deck area. A really nice master, double sinks, granite countertops, cherry cabinets, really nice walk-in closet, and really nice done tile shower. This does have the grab bars, extra big, has the seat and the extra. All the bathrooms are hooked up to the air exchanger, so when you push that, you hear nothing. So it's really nice, quiet fans. You don't hear the ceiling fan run. It's all hooked up to the whole house air filter. And even in the kitchen, so if you're cooking something, it does have that. There's another one of those puck skylights. So when you're cooking in the kitchen, you hit that fan, it will totally re-exchange all the air in the house. Those are very nice, and all of these things cost money, right? So this has all the bells and whistles, the tray ceilings in the bedroom and here. All of those are definitely upgrades when you're building. If you've ever looked into building, it would be pretty much unaffordable right now. It does have the speaker system throughout the house. So off of the kitchen, this is going back, leads down to the lower level. So coming down into the basement, there's a nice big full bath with a walk-in shower, nice lighting. There's a third bedroom, nice closet space, double doors on that. Does have the egress window, and have a really nice rec room area. Again, you have the nice egress windows that bring lots of light in. Family room, real stone gas fireplace, nice hearth there. Got room for the big TV, pool table, and then you've got this beautiful built-in wood bar. The bar stools do come with it. Even has the brass foot holder. Built-in wine rack. You've got the rack up here for wine glasses. This was all custom built. It is equipped with a dishwasher and wet bar, lots of lighting, some electrical strips there, lots of plugins. And then this is right next to it, a really nice, good-sized pantry for extra storage for your goods. And this goes into a media room. So this is all set up with the speakers. Those do go with. It is set up for surround sound. And then this has the spot for either a projector or big screen TV. They're currently just using it as an exercise room. This does have a separate floor zone. So in the lower level, it is equipped with in-floor heat, and that is the boiler for the in-floor heat for the basement. Upstairs, you have the forced air furnace with the central air, and it equipped with ultraviolet filter and April air system for humidity, which is really nice. And then you do have a whole house air exchanger, which is very nice to have, you know, with the exchanging that air out in the winter time. You've got the 2 panels. The one is set up for a backup generator. Little built-in workbench here. So really nice, good size storage. Instead of the train, you could use that for storage. They got the inline filter that's to filter out for the system here. And then this is not a hot water heater. This is a holding tank for the hot water, and it is pretty much on demand because this is heated from the boiler. And then another upgrade is this variable speed well pump. So lots of pressure there. The variable speed is, you're never going to lose water pressure. So that's an awesome upgrade. It is very expensive if you were to put it in. You've got your ejector pit there for the lower level bathroom, and a dog shower. So if you're a dog person, this is awesome, you know, comfort height to give your dog a bath or shower. And then this is underneath of the stoop coming in the entryway. It's concrete on all sides. So this is your little storm shelter, concrete on all sides, and nice for keeping things cool. They've got a wine rack in here. You know, that works well for that. There is power in here, and be great, you know, for cold storage. So this is pretty much a control system for the different rooms if you wanted to do hard wiring for cable, but it is Charter Internet here, and they do have the coax, you know, people, you know, also we have free TV too. If you ever wanted to do free TV, that is set up there. And they also have, this is like another system that exchanges the air. That also, you know, is a nice upgrade. So walking out this patio door, you've got really nice deck. There's that other little deck area there. That is no maintenance. This actually is a maintenance deck. But it walks over to this really nice little, they got the privacy fence there. Great spot for cooking. Got that door out the master. And the beautiful backyard.